Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So I see a lot of you already dropping comments that you're missing me. Good to hear. A little bit later than normal, but better late than never. So let's just get into this. So the Feds came out yesterday with the interest rate hike we were expecting, but the minutes, there is something in the minutes which the market liked, which is indicating that we could be looking at a slowdown. So, and that's a slowdown in inflation. So if you look at the 8-hour, we have a crossover of the oscillators far apart. We have a flag brewing. We have support right here at, well, there's two areas of support, if my machine will work, 13,124 and 13,063. So that is the area of support. We have a inverse head and shoulders neckline up here at 13,375. So there's the double head, pointed it out yesterday. We have, sorry, double left shoulder there, double head here, also double top, and now we're forming a right shoulder at the moment. So, you know, a proper break above 13,375 and a retest of that, that gives you a fairly strong move to the upside, which is around 952 points, or a 7% move in the market. So obviously not all in one go. You'll probably find the gap close first, and these tails will offer resistance, and you'll sort of zigzag your way up. But that is what is brewing right now. If we start looking, sorry, I just want to get to the weekly first as well. Pointed this out last week. We had a tweezer bottom. We then had an engulfing bar, and right now, kind of nothing forming at the moment, but crossover brewing on the oscillators. So there's something brewing here. So you need to keep your wits about you. I wouldn't be chasing shorts for the long term at the moment. If you do have shorts in to protect your long-term portfolios, I would start really looking at that and moving stops down. Try and bank some profit on those shorts, and that should offset the losses on the long-term portfolios, and then start stocking up again. So that's kind of my view right now. If you look at the oscillators, we are kind of pointing to the upside, not really moving anywhere. Price this week has been sideways, so we are in this channel slash range. So from a 3-hour perspective, we need to get above this area here before we start getting too excited. That's 13,375. On the lower time frames, you know, you've got some structure forming. Yesterday was just pretty much a range there, big up, big down, big up, big down. There's a gap here late in the session. We've got a crossover. Don't like the way the oscillators are looking, so just add your levels in. I think that's the one I would add in, and I'll give them to you now. And you can see if you look to the left, look at the interaction here. So first level is 13,174. Second level is 13,149 or 13,150. Third level is all the way down here at 13,124. Now, there is also a breakout trade that you could be looking to take. And I'm going to just add more noise to the chart, because that is the area we're paying attention to. And that is 13,200. Then you have this top here. I think let's move this one up rather. There we go. So we have the current top of the day, which we need to pay attention to. So that is 13,233. So at the moment on the 15-minute trend is up. It sort of reversed up late in the session yesterday. You can see actually the confirmation was this morning more than yesterday. So what we're looking for at the open, we're looking for some form of support here to the left with the sideways price action. If we get it and we start getting 15-minute price action at those levels, I would be looking for longs, anticipating a bigger breakup on our head and shoulders, sorry, there. So I would anticipate a bigger breakup to come and test this 13,375, and then I would protect capital and see if we can get a break up. If we do get a break up there today, then this gap is definitely on offer, and that alone, if we're getting in somewhere down here, we've got 150 point stop loss, because the stop loss will be below the low of the week, and you're going to be looking for something in the region of 649 points, or almost a 5% swing in the market. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Smaller time frames, skeptical of shorts at the moment, and does look like we have some kind of a reversal or structure indicating that there may be a reversal brewing shortly. So well worth paying attention to the markets today. So anyway, that's kind of my view. Watch the pullbacks, and I'm looking to buy stops below the lows of yesterday at the moment. If you're going to be aggressive, then below the lows of Tuesday. That was the low of the week. Okay. Anyway, that's kind of my view. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.